Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back, dear students. Today, coordinates. This is chapter, new chapter, 16th chapter it is, and exercise 16a. You can find out this on page number 236 and 237. This we will discuss today. For starting the lesson, we should be familiar with some points or some concepts. So first of all, I will revise your concepts, then we will come towards the basic lesson. The first thing you should keep in your mind, what is coordinate plane. You can see here in this diagram, this is coordinate plane. When a vertical line and the horizontal line cross with each other, these are like the two basic number lines. From 0, this is the origin, here the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this side -1, -2, -3 and -4, up like that 0, 1, 2, 3 and -1, -2, -3. Ordered pairs of the numbers from two-dimensional region. X-axis, this is x-axis horizontal line, this is y-axis vertical line, and here the lines cross with each other. This is called origin. This here x and y both 0. See the next, here it is in the detail. This is called y-axis, this is called x-axis. This is origin. The first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. There is 4 parts: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. These are the quadrants in the Cartesian plane. See the next, more details. Here this is y-axis, the vertical line. The vertical line is y-axis line, and this horizontal line is x-axis line, and this where the x-axis and y-axis cut each other, it is called origin. And the ordered pair, for example, this is the ordered pair. You can see this dot is at y, from the x-axis side it is 6. See the first value 6, and from the y-axis side you can see here it is on 5. So 6 and 5. This is called ordered pair. This is called what? Ordered pair. Each point is named by an ordered pair. This is ordered pair. Always the first value would be the value of x and the second value would be the value of y. So in this diagram we will explain some ordered pairs, more ordered pairs. See this 2 and 0. The first ordered pair is 2 and 0. First value represents the value of x. From this side 2 and from this side it is y. Keep in your mind, on every x-axis, on the line of x-axis, all the values of y is 0, and on the y-axis all the values of x 0. So now this 2 0 and this one would be 3 4. This one would be coming down, so minus. So this point would be -3 0, and this point you can see here, this point -3, and from this side 4. This point is -4 and -2. Just keep in your mind, you will see the first value of x, then the value of y. The again same situation, first quadrant, second quadrant, origin. You can see here, this all for your revision. You can check here, this is the point 2 and 3. 2 from x-axis, 3 from y-axis. This is the point -3 and 1. See, this point on the graph is 10 from the x-axis side and 10 from the y-axis side. So P is the point 10 by 10, 10 comma 10. Ordered pair is 10 comma 10. Now the question, write down the coordinates of P in each of the following rectangular coordinate plane. Here the coordinate is P, 3 from the x-axis side and 1 from the y-axis side. See, the coordinates of P are 3 and 1. From the other side, now you can see here, this is 0 and minus 1. Here should be 10 boxes inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This P is at the point of 7. So minus, because it is on the minus side, so 0.7, 0.7 because it is between the minus 1 and 0. And from the y side it is 6, 7, 7. So 0.7, and from y side it is 7. So you can see here the coordinate of P are minus 0.7 and 7. Now, if we want to draw a ordered pair P on this diagram, what we will do? We can see here, if we want to draw the ordered pair P 2 by 2, so check where will be the 2 by 2. Here would be the 2 by 2. If I want to draw 5, 7, means value of x is 5, value of y is 7. So 5 and here is the 7. Then if I want to draw 1 and 10, so where will be 1 and 10? Here would be the 1 and 10. Then if I want to draw 5, 5, so from x-axis 5 and y-axis 5, so that would be the point. Okay, now one more, 3 and 6, 3 and 6, 3 from x-axis and 6 from y-axis. So this is the point. So I hope you understand this. Now come to the main lesson, coordinates. See this, chapter number 16. Open your book now. The first topic is about plotting points using positive coordinates. There are many occasions when we need to describe the position. Here he want to say basically every time we need the position. For example, if I am out of the home and I want to tell my friend where is my location, so what I will do? I will tell him dimensions, at which road I am standing, nearby which building, and what is my position. I am standing on the right side of the road or left side of the road, whatever. This kind of things we explain. So this is same like the position in mathematics. So graphs, these kind of graphs are used for two-dimensional, so that's why we need the two dimensions, x and y, means x-axis and y-axis. You can see here, this is a Cartesian plane first quadrant. It is first quadrant. Why it is first quadrant? Because values of x is positive and value of y is positive. Same like we have 3 more quadrants, but here we are discussing about the first quadrant only, the x positive and y positive. O, this O is called the origin, as I have explained to you. OX is the x-axis and OY is the y-axis. We can now describe the position of point A as follows. Start from O to move 3 squares along OX and then move 5 squares up from OX. 3 means from here 3 and from here 5. So here will be the point. Here will be the point. Now you can check this next diagram, page number 237. 3 and 5. 3 from this side coming from on x-axis and going up for the 5 points. So this A is 3 and 5. So you can tell me this B will be what? 8 and 3. This coordinate is 8 and 3. At point B the coordinate is 8, from x-axis 8, and from y-axis it is 3. So this ordered pair is 8 and 3. You can see here this B is 8 and 3. Come to the exercise 16a. Write down the coordinates of the point A, B, C, D. Very simple. This A is, you can check, this A is 2, 2, and B is 5, 2. C is, you just write A, B, C, D like that. D is 4 and 5. E is 7, 0. C is 7, 6. Like this you can write. Okay, now see question number 2. Draw a set of axes of your own. Given them scale 0 to 10. Make the following points and label each point with its own letter. So A is 2, 8. For your convenience, I will draw 2 or 3 points from here on the screen. So in this way you can get it. First let me delete it. The first point is 2 and 8. Let me crop this from here. For the convenience. Okay. Now it would be easy for us to see the values. The first value A is 2 and 8. So x at x2 and y8. Where will be the point? Here the A. Okay. Now B 4, 9. 4, 4, 9. 4 from this side x-axis and 9 from the y-axis. This is the point. Okay, next is 7 and 9. From this side 7 and from this side 9. So this is 7 and 9. Then D 8, 7. 8 and 7. This is the point. 8 and 7. Then 8 and 6. From this side 8 and from here 6. So this is the point. So you can see, and you can complete the remaining also easily. This all can be done. After that, now join your points together in alphabetical order and join A to N. What you will do? From A, this was the A, make a line. Like this, from here to here, from here to here, then that is the way you can draw the line. B to C, C to D, like this. You can draw the line like this. Okay. You can join all A, B, C, D one by one. So now come to the next question. Draw the set of axes and give them scale from 0 to 10. Mark the following, the similar question, A to 2, 5, 5, 7, like this. Mark the following points on your own set of axes. A, B, C, D. Own point of the set of axes. Here you can see the highest value is of x is 8 and the lowest value is 1. So you can use the 1 to 10, the same table, 0, 1, 2, 3, up to 10 on x-axis and up to 10 on y-axis. Next, mark the following points on your own set of axes. On set of axes the same, you can use the same set of axes 0 to 10. Mark the following points on your own axis. These all are the similar questions you can solve. On your own set of axes, mark the point. So up to question number 8 you have to solve and share with me on the WhatsApp. So take care. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.